What's up YouTube, Big Boy Lads here, and today I'm back for a new unboxing video, so let's go! Alright guys, but before we start unboxing, I would like to say hi to Almira Volado, Jeffrey Rivera, Manuel Baltisoto, and J. Tampes, and to Sherwin Fontanoza, and to Maricon Cabahil, and Annie Manatan. Hello po sa inyong lahat! Alright guys, so for today's unboxing, we are going to unbox wow! So this sticker is actually called the Jordan 1 Low Red Gym Red. Wow! Ang ganda ng kulay nito guys. So this is the low cut version of the Jordan 1 High Black Toe. And this pair belongs to my Tito Lawrence. And he lent it to me to unbox and review. Thank you po, Tito Lawrence! So let's take a look at the shoe. The upper's material is similar to typical Jordan 1 mix. On the mud guard, we have this black nubuck, and on the toe area, we have this white tumbled leather. Going to the midsection, we have this black Nike swoosh. At the back, we have this red tumbled leather that extends to the collar of the shoe. Lastly, we have this red outsole. I can't Here is the on-fit look. Recently, the Jordan 1 Low silhouette has been getting a lot of noise because of the recent release of the Travis Scott ones, the UNC lows, and the Midnight Navy lows. Also, a lot of Jordan 1 Low colorways have been released in 2019, and most of them are sold out, just like the Shattered Backboard, the purple one, and the University Gold. Lot of sneakerheads actually cop these Jordan 1 Lows because it's budget friendly and easier to get compared to Jordan 1 Highs. Also, the resale value is not that high, but still it looks really good on fit and comfortable too. With the 4 colorways, I think the best looking sneaker here is the Gym Red. Wow! So that's it for our unboxing of the Jordan 1 Low Gym Red. Please follow me on Instagram at Lance Pineda Vlogs, and please follow me on Facebook at Lance Pineda Vlogs. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos. Peace and God bless. Bye-bye!